What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna go through these empties that I've had for months. I just haven't had the opportunity to film, but here we are and I'm ready to go. So first things first is the Miele rice water clay mask. I got this at Sally's for $9.99. They promote that it detoxifies your hair and moisturizes, and I would say that that's accurate. Would I repurchase it though? Probably not, because I found other things that have really, my hair loves it, so I'll be using those products and I'll mention them in another video. But it was a good product if you're like balling on a budget. I think this brand is pretty good. They have the split end treatment that worked really well on my hair, so, and that's the same brand, but it's also from the same rice water collection. So this is a good product, I would say. Their Real mascara from Benefit. This is an oldie but a goodie. I forgot how good. Ooh, you know, it's been it's been in my collection for so long. Ew, that's so gross, but it doesn't smell funny, it's just gross looking. I forgot how good this was. This is an oldie. It's $28. You can get it at like Ulta. I think Sephora has it too. Really good mascara. It separates them, it gives it length, it gives it volume. I like this mascara a lot. The Hemp Moisturizer. This is $19.99. The only thing it says that it hydrates. That's what they promote. Hydrate and renew. I would say that, yeah, it does hydrate, but it has 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. For the winter, I need something with a little bit more oomph. I feel like my skin is super dry in the winter, so this wouldn't cut it. This is nice maybe in the summer when you don't need as much moisture. This was okay. Would I repurchase it? No, because I'm not paying $20 for some lotion because it says it has hemp seed oil in it. I'm good. The Bare Minerals Invisible Bronzer in Tan. This is $30. If you like the natural look of a bronzed look, or even like do a little contour with it, this is nice. Bare Minerals leans more to like natural skin looking makeup, so if that's the route that you're going for, then this is definitely recommended. I will always buy from Bare Minerals. I think they're a great brand. I think they're really underrated. They don't break me out. They don't have any harsh chemicals in their products, so it's a great brand. And the bronzer is really nice. It's beautiful. It's natural. It's, you know, it's natural. Coconut oil. This is $1.25. You can get it at the Dollar Tree. This used to like really work for me, especially with my seborrhea dermatitis on my scalp. This used to really help me with that, but now I feel like it actually dries me out more, so I wouldn't repurchase this. I just feel like these days, and they say that your body changes or whatever, so that makes sense, but I feel like these days castor oil works better on my scalp than coconut oil does, so I won't buy this. But everyone's different when it comes to like dryness in your scalp, or like if you're experiencing hair loss or any of that. All of it is really like trial and error. You just have to try things and see what works for you, because everybody is different. So the JLo Beauty That Fresh Take for $49. They say that it brightens and it hydrates. I would say that it does. I don't think it does anything for like dark circles. It doesn't have the caffeine ingredient, so that makes sense why it doesn't do much for that. But it's funny, like when I'm using it and I don't see a difference, but then when I stop using it, then I see a difference. So that's why I bought this a second time, because at first I was like, oh, this isn't really doing anything for me, but then I stopped using it and I was like, whoa, these bags gotta go somewhere. So I did repurchase it and I used it all up. So JLo Beauty is good. I'm just still trying to debate if it's for me and my skin issues, because I don't have normal skin. I have sensitive skin. I have rosacea. I have, you know, all of the lovely things. I don't know if it's for me, but unless I find a really good eye cream that kind of removes the dark circles, then I would purchase something like that. But until then, this is probably gonna be my eye cream. And then the JLo That Big Screen with the 30 SPF. I love this. It gives you the protection that you need with the 30 SPF, and it doesn't smell like sunscreen, which is amazing. I love this so much. It's a little bit pricey. It's $55, but I think it's worth it when you don't have to buy two things. You don't have to buy moisturizer and sunscreen. You have 2-in-1 here, which I love. I love to skip that step in the morning. It's a lot faster. It works. And it leaves me nice and hydrated. I'm just flying through this. Orgain Ketogenic Collagen Protein Powder with MCT oil. I'm sure this works for some people. It's around $28-$29, and I bought the chocolate flavor. I could not get over this taste. I don't even know how I finished the container. It tastes like hell. And it's not even it's the aftertaste. It's hell. I don't even know how to explain it, but it's so bad. And that's why I would never repurchase this again. So next I have the Shea Moisture Overnight Face Oil. This is $9.97. This was decent. I mean, for $9, I think it definitely felt nice on the skin. It definitely felt moisturized. This is all I would wear at night, and I liked it. I would repurchase this for sure. Next I have a Young Living essential oil. This is $136. I didn't pay that, so before anybody comes for me, I didn't pay that, but I did really enjoy this. This is actually from like biblical times. I think the Catholic Church still uses this in their, like, when they're doing the incense and stuff. I think they still use this, but it's a very soothing smell. I would use this in my diffuser at night because sometimes I have issues with sleeping, so this kind of like helps with like calming my nerves and, you know, just getting to sleep. I do love the scent of this. Gucci Guilty. This is $92. This perfume. It smells nice. It's more like woody, and I looked it up. It says it has notes of blackberry and Bulgarian rose. It was really nice, and I actually learned a little bit about the difference between eau de toilette, or I don't even know if I'm saying that right, or perfumes, and this one is a Absolute Pour Femme. So that's why it has a stronger scent, because it's not eau de toilette. Apparently the eau de toilettes are lighter scents, and then the perfumes and like these are, I guess, more pure. I forget what the word was, but I like the smell. I would repurchase it, sure. It smells really good actually now. Is there any left? Oh no, there's no left. We have the Starlook Pro Liquid Liner. This is $19. I can't believe this. I don't remember it being that great. I don't think it lasts me very long. It's a fine point pen. The tip is like really hard too. It's not like, it doesn't like glide on your eye. It's like kind of like poking your eye. So no, I would not get this. Next is this overhyped serum, The Ordinary. I didn't see a difference with this serum. It's $6. So if you wanted like just extra hydration, sure, but I didn't see a difference, and I will not be repurchasing. Too much of a hype. The Rusk Deep Shine Smooth Keratin Care Deep Conditioning Treatment. This normally runs for $17. I got it on sale. It was okay. It definitely moisturized my hair, left it soft. But would I say it was like a keratin care? No. No, I still had frizz and stuff, so I won't be repurchasing that. Into the Night Shea and Vitamin E Shower Gel, Bath & Body Works. This is awesome. These shower gels are $13.50 at Bath & Body Works. Smells amazing. Leaves the skin hydrated, which is nice, and it cleans you, you know? So yeah, sure, I'll repurchase that. I think that was a gift though, actually. Again, the Miele Rice Water Shampoo, the Rice Water Collection. It was good. $9.99, can't go wrong. Doesn't smell bad either. I hear that rice water smells bad. I wouldn't repurchase it again because, like I said, I found something better for my hair. But if you're balling on a budget, you should try out this Miele brand. I like it. I dig it. And I got it at Sally's. This is probably the most overhyped thing I've ever seen in my life. The Paula's Choice Exfoliant. I have to be honest with you, I didn't see a difference in my skin with this. So I will not repurchase. It's $34, and it says it unclogs and shrinks in large pores, smooths and even skin tone, lightweight liquid, absorbs quickly. I guess my skin is not that bad to have seen a difference with this product. This product, I guess, is good with people with like really like acne prone skin or like super large pores. I don't have that. I'll get like a little whitehead here and there, but for the most part what I deal with the most is like my redness. So this probably wasn't the product for me because I didn't see a difference at all. This, however, was really nice. This is the Circadia Aloe Calming Mist. This is hard to get, so that's why it's like I haven't repurchased it, but it's really good. It's super gentle. All you do is like spray some on your hand or spray some on your face, and it's a toner basically. This is your toner, and I feel like it cleared my redness a lot too, but it probably was because when you use a toner like this, you need like a cotton swab and you're like rubbing your skin and it makes it red. With this, I didn't need a cotton swab. I just sprayed it, like I said, on my hands or on my face and added it in. So that could be why it cleared my skin so much. So that's one I would definitely repurchase. I just have to figure out how I'm gonna repurchase it. This is an oldie but a goodie. The Balm bronzer. This bronzer is $20 and I think it broke on me, so I definitely like to use up my makeup. I love this bronzer. It's perfect for my skin tone, for my undertone. I love it. It lasted forever. No breakouts or nothing, so yeah, it's a win for me. The Naked Urban Decay Flushed Palette. Again, I think it broke on me too because it's like mighty empty. But I love to use my makeup. This is $38 and it lasts for fucking ever, so sure, I would definitely repurchase this when I'm in the market for a new bronzer, highlighter, and blush, which is great for travel because you have all three in one, and it works. It's pigmented. It's a beautiful palette. Next is this Victoria's Secret Velvet Petals Fragrance Lotion. This is $19 at VS. It was okay. I wouldn't say that it smelled so great. Like my Gucci definitely is way better scent than this one, or even the Bath and Body Works is a better scent than this one, but it was okay. And for it to be like a fragrance lotion, it did give a little moisture, which was nice, but I would not repurchase this. Actually, this was a gift, so thank you for the gift. I did use it up. And lastly, the Dr. Branded Pores No More. This is $48, and I feel like if you're gonna buy a primer, this is the primer. But it's not for everybody. It's smoothing on the skin. It does clear. It does make your skin look clearer when it comes to the pores. Hence the name. It says Pores No More. Definitely works for that. So I would absolutely repurchase this and put this in like my professional makeup kit. Alright guys, that is it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed. I am back. I think I have some old videos that I never edited, never got to it, so maybe I'll load those up as well. But I'm back in the game and I will be uploading on a more consistent basis. So I will see you on the next one. Peace out.